gun. Rename this to button, because it's going to turn into a button, believe it or not. Delete all these tags. We don't need those. Alright, so this is all we have now. Switch F2 so you can go to your top. Open up loop selection again. Pick there. Now the Pokeball has got one button. All the buttons got a top ridge, bottom ridge, and a black rim. So you want to keep that one, and that one. So we're just going to select all these outside of it. Now to get the whole thing, just make sure you click in the middle. Otherwise this happens. But you get on the center line, in between there, and good to go. Just make sure you keep holding shift. When that happens, just hit Control Z. You can get out of that. Hit delete. And now we've got that nice little blotch, little disc for us. We can re-enable the Pokeball. And we see we've got the nice area up there. Go back to my default view. I want to look at the ball from this angle. Yeah, let's look at it from right there. I'm going to go to Objects, Scene, Camera. The camera's up. I'm going to name it Shot Angle. Push this button right here. Turns white. Push off of it. Make sure you click off of it, because now you can move around. So if I go way over here, and I want to go back, I just push that button. Right back. Push it again, and I go back. Alright, and also if you need to move around your screen, you can hold Alt and move around that way. If you hold Alt, use your left mouse button, you can rotate. Hold Alt, push your middle button in, you can move. And you can just scroll with your scroll on the mouse at all times. Alright, so we've got our scene set up. Now we get to finish the Pokeball. Alright, so we're going to take our button, Pokeball, put on X-ray so you can see through it. Take the button, so it gets interesting. Push this button, right there. Don't know what it's called, but it saves you a lot of trouble. Boom, you'll see it hit around a box. And it's going to rotate around that axis. Take the rotate button out, re-enable this, Alt-D, if you enabled it, or disabled it. We're going to take this, this is the angle we're shooting on, to push this button, hold shift, go down as you get 90 degrees. Boom. Then, just for purpose of being able to see, I'm going to take the white, put the material on there so it's white. Now if we look at it, the mesh is messed up. Means if we render it, it's not going to look nice. Here's what it looks like when it's rendered. This doesn't look good. A quick way to fix that. Where you at? There you are. Alright, we're going to select this. That's where you start to make it look a little bit realer. Do loop selection, UL. Select the middles, the black parts. MT brings extrude. And you can play with your settings however you want them. The first time I made this, I think I used 2 and it didn't look right to me. So I'm going to go with 1. Whoops, 1 took it out. Alright, let's go with -1. Alright, that brings it in just a little bit. If you want to just see with your eyes, once you hit apply, make sure real-time update's good to go. You can do this and you'll be able to see what it looks like. But for this, we gotta keep it in exact science, just so we can make the button right. -1. And take the button, UL, make sure the whole thing's selected. Do MT, 1. There we go. Now you see it comes up. So now when we render it, the mesh is good. If you notice, you look on the sides, and it comes off a little bit. Gives it more of a 3D dynamic. If you don't like it, I'm not going to show you how to get it out of it and how to change it, but after you play with this a little bit, you'll figure out how to do that for yourself. Quick dirty Pokeball, this works. Alright, UL, we're going to unselect the outside.